Hello guys, welcome to my channel. DJI just released their new drone. It's a budget drone from them. It's the Mini 2 SE, and today's just gonna be a unboxing and quick look on what's in the box. Right, so what I have here is the Mini 2 SE, of course. It's the Fly More combo. And so what you get here is you get additional bag, you get additional batteries and some spare parts. And without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. So today I'm not gonna do any testing. It's raining right now, and this is actually my first drone. So anyway, I'll just focus on the unboxing. Hopefully I don't damage any parts. Looks like I need another knife upgrade. Oh, it's actually open. Anyway, alright, so what you get inside is a box. It's a bag. So let's just take out the bag. And I believe the drone is all inside, together with all the spare parts. Initial impressions on the bag, it's quite substantial and quality feeling. I think it looks waterproof. You can see from the zippers here. Let me just keep this, and yeah, they're kind of waterproof. Before we get into the main component, let's see what's in this compartment itself. I believe these are the spare wings. Anyway, this must be the remote. Let's take a quick look. It feels really good. And let me just try to get this out. So this is where you keep the joystick. Just have to take out and screw them in to operate. Okay, let me just keep the knife, safety reasons. And more accessories. They have these additional USB cables. I believe this is for the Android version. If you are using Android phones, then you can replace the connection with this. And you have the charging port. More cables. This one is the older type USB. And I believe this is the battery pack, and the other two batteries are already inside. And I believe the third one is in the drone itself. But before that, let's look at this. I wonder what's inside. Okay, so this is the instruction manual and some guidelines. Put this aside and take a look at the drone. So how do we open this? Right. Right. Okay, so this is the underside and this is the top side of the drone. Let me just get the sticker off. Nice. First impressions, it looks really cool and really lightweight. So let me see if the battery is inside. Yeah, there we go. And that's it for the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy. Please leave a like and subscribe if you have watched so far. Watch until this point so far. Let me just take this sticker out. Okay, that's a rough one. Oh my god. Okay. Hopefully I don't damage any components right here. Let me just get off all these stickers and we'll end the video, right? So yeah, that's it. That's it for the drone. And I can't wait to test this out, but it's currently raining and I don't want to damage my drone in the house, so it'll be for another day. And thank you guys. Please once again subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so and leave a like. And I'll see you on the next video.